Starting up the chicken stir fry tonight. Garlic, some all shit, numions, some yingling, special spice, some more numions, a little chicken cooking up. Got some horseradish, some eggs, sesame seed oil, organic coconut, aminos, rotel. I got some zucchini, some hot peppers, and some sweet peppers in there. Just gonna give these guys a little stir. Throw a little chunk of that garlic on there, keep those vampires away. Yeah. You're gonna throw a little pat of butter on there. Let that melt down for a moment. Everything's starting to turn out pretty good. That means we're getting all cooked up. Chicken's looking nice. Dogs are happy. That little shithead. We got both. Okay, the butter's starting to look pretty good. Throw the veggies on there. Mix those guys around for a little bit. Let them sit up. Can't forget about the all shit. That stuff will burn your nose whiskers off. Looks like it's setting up pretty good. Cooking well, so we're going to throw a little pure horseradish in there. I'll get a little kick tonight. Okay, going to throw a little bit of sesame oil in there. A little splash or two. That'll cool her off a little bit. Okay, we threw a couple eggs on there. Got to beat them up a little bit. Get them going, make them look real nice. Okay, eggs are done. Next part is go throw these noodles in there, mix it all up. Okay, just mixing it all up there, and she'll be done. Throw a little more all shit on there. Good to eat.